Just gonna do a quick video of a Bijou's kitten since we haven't seen them in a bit here. There's Bijoux getting in the way. So we've got here, let me see. Okay, here we have Kiara. So they're kind of in a little fuzzy stage right now. You're not helping me, Bee. This is Kiara. Hi, Pee-Pee. We haven't taken new pictures of them just yet, so I'm just doing a quick video update of them. There's Kiara, and this is Quinn. These two girls are so similar, so we just put a collar on one so that we can easily tell the difference. There's Quinn. Hi, baby. Let's get a look at you. So there's Quinn and Kiara. Quinn, Kiara, and we have Quaid. Quaid's right here, sitting patiently waiting. And there's Quincy climbing the wall. So this is Quincy. Let's have a look at you, buddy. We have a brown collar on him right now. Let's see you, Papa. They're really fuzzy right now, but you can still see their patterns pretty well. But they're getting fluffy looking. You can see the little baby hairs. You can see them sticking up on Quaid right here. Hi, Quaid. You being a good boy? Yeah. Good boy. Okay, so Quaid, Quincy, and Kiara, and where are you? And Quinn. That's that.